Today we're going to solve set 4 problem 25. Problem 25. The diagram shows a unit cube colored blue. Additional blue unit cubes are glued face to face to each of its 6 faces to form a 3-dimensional cross. If unit cubes colored yellow are now glued face to face to all the spare faces of this cross, how many yellow unit cubes are required? Now, it's hard to imagine the shape in our brain and count all the cubes, so I'll briefly draw what a cross looks like. So, although it's not a perfect cube, we just needed to get a basic idea of how it looks like. Now we're going to draw a top cube. It might take a while. And now the cube behind it. Now the cube on the left. The cube in the front. And now the cube in the bottom. Now, there are a total of 3 layers in this cross. The top cube is the first layer, the 4 cubes in the middle is the second layer, and the bottom cube is the third layer. Now, when yellow cubes are added, 1 cube will be glued to the top of the face of the blue cube, which is this side. And we need 4 to its side faces, so 1 on this side, 1 on this side, 1 on this side, and the last on this side. Which means that yellow cube will also the top faces of these second layer cubes. So the cube will cover the red line. And the 8 yellow cubes will be glued to the blue cube in the second layer. And it's going to be the yellow cubes will be in the corner. So for the corner cubes, it's going to cover these sides. And we're going to add the next 4 yellow cubes on the face of the second layer. So the yellow cube will look like this, so that it covers the outermost face. So until now we have 1 cube plus 4 cubes for the first layer, and then we have 4 plus 4 cubes for the second layer. And now it's going to be the same for the bottom layer. We're going to have a cube that's going to cover the bottom face of the bottom blue cube. And we're going to have 4 cubes to cover the sides of the bottom cube, and then the bottom of the middle cube. So side for the bottom cube, and the side for the middle cube. Now it's going to be 1 plus 4. Now if we add them up, we have 18. So D is the correct answer. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you again. Bye.